BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
Wow! Cake! What's that?
Yummy food truck is here. Come and try some. Oh. Wow!
A big hamburger, please.
Right away. Let me make a yummy burger for you. Frying a big patty in the pan. Adding fresh veggies and a slice of cheese. The big yummy burger will be ready soon.
Wow! I am a big yummy hamburger. Look at my patty. It smells great. I'm here for you. Here comes the big yummy hamburger. Cake! Cupcake!
Okay, let me make a yummy cupcake for you. Baking a little cake in the oven. Adding sweet cream and a strawberry too. The yummy cupcake will be ready soon.
Yeah! I am a little yummy cupcake. I am little and I'm so sweet. I'm here for you. Here comes the little sweet cupcake.
I want a donut. Okay, let me make a yummy donut for you. Frying a round piece of dough. Adding chocolate and sprinkles too. The yummy donut will be ready soon. That looks delicious.
I am a round yummy donut. I'm so cute and I'm so sweet. I'm here for you. Here comes the round yummy donut.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Hey kids, which one would you like to have?
Hi!
Search BabyBus on YouTube.